Hello everyone, in this particular video I am going to show you how to grow a lucky bamboo plant this tall. Okay, so see, in all these plants there is a cutting. You can see there's a cutting at this point and the new branches are coming out. Look into this one. Here is a cutting and then it has grown taller, and similarly for all the other branches also there is a cutting. If you can see, there is cutting, there is a cutting, and from all these cuttings only they are getting the next level height. So these are the cuttings. So that is how you can grow your bamboo plant, the lucky bamboo plant this tall. Just make cuttings, your plant will also grow better and there will be more height attained.